Sir, I am Dikshit and is Anil. We are from Radiant Concept School, Vanaparthi. We are from Mahbub Nagar, sir. Our project is a multi-purpose bicycle, sir. Our aim is to produce electricity, to sharpening the householders, to pump the water from the sump without electricity, to fill the air in the air compressor tank without electricity, to wash the clothes in a washing machine without electricity, sir. Our concept is to conserve electricity and use this device in remote areas where there is no development and scarcity of electricity, sir. Our operators mainly consist of an disused bicycle, alternator, grinding stone, motor pump, washing machine, air compressor, spray gun, inverter, battery, mixie, multimeter, bulb and a fan, sir. Sir, now I will explain the description about this multi-purpose bicycle, sir. Our disused bicycle consists of an carrier. On the carrier, one alternator, grinding stone and motor pump are fixed, sir. And the tire and tube of the rear wheel of the bicycle are removed and left it free with its rim, sir. One pulley is fixed between the alternator and motor pump, which acts as the main pulley, sir. And the main pulley is extended as a rod and a grinding stone is fixed, sir. And the main pulley is extended. The main pulley is extended to the two sub-pulleys, and the one sub-pulley is connected to the alternator and another sub-pulley is connected to the motor pump. Now air compressor is placed behind the bicycle, that is the pulley of the air compressor, sir. Now that pulley is connected to the rim of the back wheel of the bicycle with help of this belt, sir. And washing machine is placed beside the bicycle on a stand, and this is the second sub-pulley, and that sub-pulley is connected to the horizontal pulley. This is the second sub-pulley, and this sub-pulley is connected to the horizontal pulley. Horizontal pulley is connected to the vertical pulley, and the vertical pulley is connected to the pulley at the agitator of the washing machine. Now I would like to demonstrate these operators one by one. First of all, in motor pump. Motor pump consists of one pulley and one axle, whose one end is fixed with one pulley and another end is fixed with one fan. Another end of the motor pump consists of two outlets. One is to pull the water and is to pump the water. When he pedals the bicycle with the help of the chain, the rim rotates. When this rim rotates, the main pulley, sub-pulley and the pulley of motor pump rotates. When that pulley of motor pump rotates with 2800 RPM, then the water is pulled out and pumped with pressure. It can pump up to 10 feet height and it can fill 1000 liters of tank in 50 minutes. So now I will show the demonstration about this motor pump. This is the grinding stone. We can sharp our household tools like knives, scissors, etc. by the help of this grinding stone. And we can produce electricity with the help of this alternator. In alternator, at first we want to send the current into the alternator, then it starts producing the current. I connected the two wire terminals. This is the positive, this is the negative. Then I connected the two terminals of this multimeter and this bulb, DC bulb of a bus, and the bulb is glowing with the help of this alternator. When he pedals the bicycle, the bulb put off because the alternator is producing current and sending into the battery to store it. I removed the positive terminal of this battery and I took this alternator. Then the bulb is glowing with the help of this alternator current, and we can see how many volts of DC current is producing in multimeter. 16 volts of DC current is producing in multimeter, multimeter, and we can store the 12 volts of DC current in battery, and we can save the 12 volts of DC current into 230 volts of AC. We can use our home needs like mixie, we can glow bulbs, and we can run fans. With the help of the washing machine, we can wash our clothes. It works on the basics of centrifugal force. The force which is acting radially away from the center of the circle is called centrifugal force. When he pedals the bicycle, the centrifuge inside the washing machine rotates and the clothes can be washed. And this is the air compressor. Air compressor consists of an pulley, gauge meter, air compressor tank, piston. It consists of two outlets. One is fixed to the spray gun, and another one is fixed to this valve, sir. We can use this by filling the air into the tubes of the vehicles, and we can spray our household like painting or required objects. When he pedals the bicycle, the rim rotates. When this rim rotates, with the help of the belt, the pulley rotates. When this pulley rotates, the piston present there will move up and down, and the atmospheric air enters into the piston and directly goes into the air compressor tank, and it can be stored. We can use the air obtained for filling the tubes of the vehicles, and we can paint our required objects. Our uses are, we can produce electricity when there is no availability of electricity, and we can sharp our householders when there is no availability of tinker. In villages and towns, there is no availability of tinker. We can use this and we can sharp the householders. We can pump the water from the sump, and